today we're gonna take you down by the river. We enjoyed the river so much yesterday we had to come back. Yes! And this morning we're gonna be taking this boardwalk and the Island Loop Trail. We might hit up another trail as well a little bit further south of here. Taking some easy strolls today. My legs are getting a little bit more tired since we've been hiking every single day of our trip so far. Taking it easy and might do some more tomorrow, we'll see. Very clear water. To scurry across all these rocks, but you can get some pretty cool views of these waterfalls back over here. Wow, this is pretty cool, guys. Oh, that's good. We've seen a lot of cool waterfalls. I don't know if it's ever been as epic as this. The longest waterfall, I guess we could say. That is sweet. Of course, I haven't been in Niagara Falls, so there's always that. This is a pretty fun trail. Well, it's not really a trail, I don't think, but make your own trail walking amongst the rocks here. Try not to get too wet. You can see with the driftwood out here though, that water level can get pretty high at some points. This is probably what, 15 feet higher than over there? I mean, it's gotta flow over this way, I believe. Spill over this way, bring the driftwood over. Pretty neat, guys. Well guys, if you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe if you want to see more videos like it. can also check us out at
DMSadventures.com.
And as always,
Adventure on.